What's going on, guys? I'm Brandon from Walker's Woodworks. Welcome back to the channel. Today we got an unboxing and kind of review video. Delta was nice enough to ship me one of their new Shopmaster 10-inch miter saws. This is an entry-level saw, so you can actually get this at like Walmart, I believe they have it in. So we're gonna take it out of the box, see what it comes with, kind of go over some of the features and see what I think about it. Got the manual. That's what we do with those. Clamp. What's this? Oh, these must be things that go in the side of the table to keep your workpiece from wobbling one way or the other. How do you get this out? Just so. Oh, wow. It's very light. Holy crap. This thing weighs like nothing. Like maybe 20 pounds. That's crazy. Little bag. Sliding. That's good. Probably said that on the box. How do you unlock? Where's your buttons? This? No. Wait. Yes. No. What are we doing? Send help. I don't know what's going on. Okay. Maybe this? Nope. This is how you use it, I guess. There's no... You can't. I'm just kidding. I have no idea how to unlock it. Is it just... What is it? Oh. I knew that. I knew that. There we go. All right. So I have the Delta Cruiser miter saw, which is their, higher end one. But this one looks like you could get the job done. It's very small, compact, which is nice if you're taking it job sites or whatever. I don't know how these go in there. Oh, looks like there's little screws in the end. So I'll get these put on. Sorry about that. Just realized you couldn't see my face in the video. It's kind of loose, but it doesn't fall out. To the other side. Whoa. Okay. Those are on. I assume there's a way to lock that too. Wonder what this is for. No. Oh. Maybe this. Yep. I don't know what this does. Oh. So it looks like I should probably read the directions before I start going over this. Looks like this has a little lever that you can put, and then a set a stop, depth stop right there. That's cool. And then if you don't want it, you just flip it back and it goes completely all the way down. You can loosen this, and that's what allows you to slide, or you can lock it. Kind of cool about this one, you can lock it in different places. Usually it's just like a lock, unlock, lock here, or unlock all the way. This one looks like you can lock it out here if you want. Not sure what application that'd be good for, but it's an option. We'll stop here. So you would stop that, take your blade off that way. Adjustment here, you just unlock, you can bevel. You can hear the clicks. Has clicks at, all the normal spots, 45, 31, 22 and a half, 15, 0, or whatever. And then it also bevels this way. Unscrew this lever in the back, you can bevel to the left. The fence looks like it is a little bit adjustable, back and forth maybe, fine adjustment. No adjusting wings like on their other one. But what do you expect? I don't know the exact price on this, but it's not expensive. You got your little dust collector chute out the back, or bag, I should say. Just pop that on right there, like that. And you have your clamp. I don't ever use these, but some people do. I shouldn't say ever. I use them occasionally. If the lumber's really long, it's nice. It looks like it has an option on each side for this. Put it here. Clamp down your material. When you cut, it won't fall off. Both sides have the option, so that's pretty nice. I do like the wings. That's neat. I just can't get over how small it is. Very compact. So now that we got it open and set up, let's do some test cuts. One thing I noticed, it does not have a handle on the top, but it's so light. It's like, whatever. Oh, it has a laser too. Really? Every time I turn the camera on, the airplane flies over. I think I need to put batteries in it. Yeah, there's a battery spot right here for the laser. All right, I just got a piece of scrap 2x4. I got the batteries in here to turn the laser on. It does work. However, it stays on even if you unplug it. So gotta make sure to always turn that off. I don't know why they wouldn't just integrate that power of the laser in with the electric, but they didn't, so safety first. Just got a scrap piece of 2x4 here to see what it does. Oh, there's like a little safety thing so you can't pull the trigger without sliding that to the side, which is nice. I mean, as with almost every miter saw, the dust collection's not the best, especially with just a bag. Kind of loud, but it works. Cut actually pretty good with that blade, better than I thought it was going to. So let's test for square and see how it did. Just right out of the box on the 0. All right, just got a normal speed square. It's actually very straight. Right out of the box on the 0 setting. Doesn't really need adjusted at all. Let's try 45. Oh, it's to slide out a little bit. Really, really good actually. Kind of surprised. That's good. And it cuts good. Try another one on 0. All right, so we got it unboxed, put together, tested it out a little bit. Obviously that was nothing, but I just wanted to test mostly the accuracy of it, which is pretty good. And it cuts good, didn't bog down. It was only a 2x4, obviously. I don't have any wider lumber at this moment to test it, but I'm sure it would do just fine with some, 2x12s or whatever. So pros and cons, in my humble opinion. Pro, it's affordable. I just looked it up on Walmart's website. It's $199. Hard to beat for a sliding 10-inch miter saw that also bevels and does everything you really need to do. Super light. That's another huge plus, in my opinion. It's not sloppy. Like, when it slides, it feels very smooth. It has bearings in there that sound good. It's not doesn't rattle around. Some stuff I've seen that on the, on the more affordable side, they're kind of janky. This isn't like that. It's got a nice guard on it that goes up when you go down. It's got rollers on the bottom for the guard. It has a laser if you should choose to use it, which I didn't because it was too bright out there. You can hook dust collection up to it, which I'm sure would help a lot, but that gets more into the con side. There's no miter saw out there with good dust collection, let's be honest, unless you build something. I know, Festool's probably good. Also not $199, so there's that. Has the table saw wings, that's another pro. Miter's good. It was set up good out of the package, like I said. Very light. That's the thing that I'm most, impressed by. A couple other things I just looked at. It has a 3-year warranty, which is nice from Delta, and it also has a 12-inch cross-cut capacity. So if you're doing 90-degree cuts, it has a 12-inch capacity for that. Not sure how big of a motor is on it. Do you say hello? Oh, it's actually a 15 amp. That's pretty good. I believe that's what the Cruiser is as well. Could be wrong, but I don't think so. Pretty sure that's what it is. It has a lot of power for a small package. So that pretty much wraps it up for the Delta Shopmaster 10-inch beveling, mitering, sliding, affordable saw. If you guys like videos like this, let me know in the comments down below. I appreciate you watching. And until next time, check out this video right here. We'll see you on the next one.